In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an email in Microsoft Outlook, making sure that important messages are always right where you need them. This process is simple and effective, so let's dive right in. First, let's open your Microsoft Outlook. You might have it on your desktop, or perhaps you access it through your web browser. Either way, go ahead and launch Outlook so we can start. Now, with Outlook open, you'll see a list of your emails. Scan through this list and locate the email you wish to pin. This might be a crucial message from a client or an important update from your project team. Once you've found the email you want to keep track of, it's time to pin it. Right-click on that email and you'll see a menu of options pop up. From this menu, you're going to select Categorize. Now this is where things get interesting. Outlook comes equipped with a variety of color categories. These can be used as visual cues to help you organize your emails. Click on Manage Categories. Here you'll see several colors listed, each ready to serve as a different category. For the purpose of pinning, choose any color you like. It's typically best to use a color that's not already in heavy use for another category, as it will stand out more clearly. After selecting your desired color, it's time to rename it. Click on the option to rename your chosen color and type in the word pinned. This is going to create a special category that specifically means important enough to pin. This step might sound mundane, but the renaming is what truly gives life to this method of email organization. Now apply this newly named category to your email by checking the box next to your pinned category. Once this is done, your email is effectively pinned. But why stop there? If you're like me and want to streamline your email process even further, consider sorting your email list by category. You can do this by clicking on the View tab at the top of Outlook, choosing Arrange By, and then selecting Categories. What this does is it puts all your emails into neat, easily navigable sections. Depending on your existing setup, you might have emails sorted by date or another criterion. Switching to categories makes finding that one important email much quicker. And that's it. You're done. By following these steps, you've not only pinned an email in a manageable, visual way, but you've also ensured it remains within easy reach. With this quick and simple trick, you're transforming your inbox from a cluttered mess into an organized tool, perfectly tailored to your needs. Happy emailing!